special things on the table. Yeah, biscuits with a big glass or sellotape, scissors, lamp, bowls.
Okay. Okay, Rani, what are you doing today?
Today we're going to do
Digestive system.
digestive system.
Okay, that looks fun.
We have a bowl and mask and water bottles. Okay.
All right. Okay, do you want to start?
Yeah.
Okay, where what's that?
That is lots of biscuits and
So we have got biscuits,
or glass.
juice. What is that juice for?
That juice is for
Is it like the stomach acid?
maybe.
Okay, so that's the stomach acid. Yeah?
Yeah.
What does the stomach acid do?
It.
What does it do?
Okay.
It's
Squeeze your tummy.
squeeze.
Squeeze.
नहीं, वो food को break करता है.
Oh.
Yeah, it break down the food. Okay? So shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the stomach?
The stomach's right here.
No, is that the stomach?
No, that.
So we have got stomach here.
Yeah.
And what's that?
Intestine.
That's the intestine. Okay, that's
And
good.
That's the intestine.
Yeah, we are using some. Is it stockings?
Not
Nylon socks.
intestine. I want the intestine.
Okay. So do you want to put these biscuits in the stomach?
Yeah.
In the stomach.
To squish it.
Oh my God. Stomach is working now. Oh. Slowly, slowly. Do it with your hands. Pinch it. Honey, pinch it, pinch it. Make sure it doesn't come out.
Oh, I really like it.
Hashir, slowly, slowly. One side Hashir kare, one side run. देखते हैं, ये stomach भी ऐसे करता है, break करता है food को, फिर करें. और ज़्यादा. Up slowly, slowly. Like Rani, pinch करें, pinch. Hashir, आप pinch. Okay? Yeah.
Yeah, good boy.
But there's no stomach juice, Rania. What are we gonna do now?
Sorry, children. There's no stomach.
We will put some.
Juice.
Yay!
Okay, children, let's do it. This is how the stomach went. And then the shape.
Okay, now it's in the intestine. Yeah?
It's so good.
Just squeeze out. Wait. Rania, your hands. It's okay. Squeeze it out. No, it's not. Squeeze it out. Yeah, like that shape. Yeah. Can you see? Rania, this is how the body is doing. Taking all the liquid out. Yeah? So all the good stuff is going to be. Stop being silly, Rani. It's just food. Yeah, Hashir is doing a great job. No, don't do that, Hashir. Hashir, come on. Now your turn to squeeze the liquid.
Am I doing a good job?
Yeah, do it from the bottom, Rani.
No.
Yeah, do it from the bottom. Squeeze it from the bottom, Rania. Squeeze from the bottom. Where the food is. Yeah, squeeze it.